In this demo video, I'm going to show you how to use the Construct Template feature to create personal email scripts that you can use to create personalized emails over time. Before I show you how it works, the Construct Template feature allows you to create different email templates that you can use to create emails anytime you want. Now, let's assume you always send out a weekly newsletter to your audience on a weekly basis. With the Construct Template feature, you can create a template for that. And whenever you want an email for your weekly newsletter, you can log into your email writer account and answer a few questions that you created by yourself, and your email will be generated. So let's explore this feature. The first thing you need to do is click on the Construct Template. Click on Categories. The Add New category is where you'll enter the name of the template you want to create. Let's use the name Discount Email Template. You can ignore the Spanish name since it's optional. Click on Submit. You can choose to edit or delete any template you've created. Once that's done, you can now move the drop-down and select Script Templates. Then you can select the category you've created for which you want to create the template for your emails. For each category, you can create as many email templates as possible. So let's assume that we want to create weekly discount email templates for our customers. Under the Discount Email Template category, let's name it Weekly Discount for Blake's Store. Then we can add the description of the template as Weekly Discount Email Templates for Regular Customers. Once that's done, click on Continue. Once you've done with creating the variable, create the script inside the editor, using the variables you have created. Remember to include whatever that is in the variable inside the text editor so that the variable will call up whatever answer you would provide when you want to use the script. Once you're done, go to Personal Scripts and start creating your emails. When you're in the Personal Scripts area, enter the name of the email you want to create. Then select a category among categories you've created in the past. Once that's done, click on Continue and start answering the question. When you're done answering the questions, click on Continue to be able to generate your email. It's as simple as that, and you can do it. You can also go to the saved scripts to access all the emails you've created using the Construct Template feature. That's just it.